my channel, Back to My Way. Today I will be doing some fall. Summer's pretty much ending for me, so I will be doing some fall decors. A lot of things I picked up from the Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, Walmart, just all around. So and some things I have from home that I will be doing different fall DIYs. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and please hit the notification bell so that way every time I do a video you will be notified. Okay guys, right here I have my board that I got from Hobby Lobby. They had 90% off of the 4th of July decor, and this is one of the boards that I got from Hobby Lobby, which is, like I said, the 4th of July. Some of the decors, and I'm going to add a sheet from my scrapbook, and I got the book from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to put that on, add a little, and I have my green mesh, I'm sorry, and I have bowls I'm going to add to it, and it turns out quite cute. And like I said, I just decided to use the back of it, and I'm just going to use my scrap paper that I got and use some of my Mod Podge on the top of the board, and add some bows or whatever. I was trying to trim some of the edges from the extra paper that was hanging, and then I sometimes get a little carried away with the Mod Podge and have to wipe some of it back off, but that's me with my Mod Podge. So I do trim some more from the very top because I want a little bit more of my mesh to to show. So, and I got this mesh from Walmart. They had it on sale, so I got it at the beginning of the year. So I got the green and they have the orange. So I figured, okay, I get it while they have it on sale. And I will put it, like I said, on the top with some bows, and I am gonna wipe some of the Mod Podge off, like I thought I would have to. And I don't know, do anybody else kind of like go overboard sometime with your Mod Podge? But I'm beginning to do my fall, which I will have to get rid of some of my summer decors that I have out now, and begin to put some of my fall decorations up, decors up. It turned out to be a little wider than I wanted it for this particular project, but it still ended up working okay. I just decided to trim a little bit off of it because you can always use it for another project later. I'm gonna add some bows. I got my bows from the I got these from the Dollar Tree, but I did have larger bows that I got from Hobby Lobby also. So um and I have my Easy Bow Maker. I got it from Amazon. I will have it in my description box below, but you definitely can find it cheaper because I did see someone say they had got theirs from Michael for half the price that I paid from Amazon. So anyway, but it works nice. I really like it because never been a famous bow maker, and this makes life much easier for me with the bows and learning how to make them also. So, yes, I did get the bows from I got the bow maker from Amazon, and I got the bows from the Dollar Tree, and I do have some that I got from Hobby Lobby as well. It's very, very easy. You just slide it in on and go from one side and twist your bow and put down what you want for as much as you want to be your, the tail end of it. And we do the ducktails, and I've been using a lot of the zip ties lately. I've been really very excited about them. The Chanel stems are still fine, but it just works so much better. I love the zip ties. You get your projects, your bows, whatever you're using it nice and tight, and you can fluff your bows out, how you want to. And so, just gonna add the bows here and make the bow with my bow easy bow maker, and then I will put it on the top. And what I did do, I found a picture from my old calendar, a fall picture that I cut out, and I pasted it on the center of my bow. I'm sorry, on the center of my board. And I think I lost footage in that area. I do apologize for that, but I did cut it out and make put it in the center, and I think it came out really cute. So I'm going to just use my zip tie here, which gets it nice and tight, and you can fluff it the way that you want to. And this is the finishing of my fall board. Please tell me what you think. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so when I do another video, you will be notified. Thank you so much.